its postponement. Amazon cancelled subscriptions charges of books and audio stories for kids during school closure. Haryana educational institutes to remain closed till May end. Delhi University issues important notice on May-June exams. JNU-SU urges UGC to suspend all exams in view of COVID situation. Date of KVS admission 2021 extended for class 1, no admission test for class 9. Himachal government extends closure of educational institutes till May 10th. NIT Raipur postpones NIM CET exam amidst rising COVID-19 cases. CLAT 2021 application deadline extended till May 15th. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Andhra Pradesh government has decided to conduct the examination for class 12 students as per schedule from May 5th to May 19th. We will follow all the COVID-19 protocols to make sure the exams are conducted in a safe environment. Intermediate exams are very important for the future of students, said Education Minister Adimulappu Suresh. The minister said 1,452 examination centers have been set up across the state, and students can download their hall tickets on April 29th. A COVID special officer has been appointed for each district, and all the test centers will be sanitized every day. Suresh said that the students would have suffered in future if they were to get passed without an exam. However, the opposition TDP has demanded that the exams be postponed. TDP National General Secretary and MLC Nara Lokesh said the lives of lakhs of students were at stake as they would be exposed to the virus during the exams. He asked why the government wants to conduct exams when it has postponed cabinet meetings in view of the pandemic. Amazon has cancelled the subscription charges of books and audio stories for children and students of all ages for as long as schools are closed. This is so that kids everywhere can instantly stream an incredible collection of stories, including titles across 6 different languages, that will help them continue dreaming, learning, and enjoy their time at home. All stories are free to stream on your desktop, laptop, or phone or tablet using the link stories.audible.com/start-listen. Educational institutions in Haryana will continue to remain shut till May 31st, the state government ordered on Thursday, as the coronavirus infections continue to soar in the state. Coaching institutions, industrial training institutes, libraries, and training institutes, whether government or private, shall also remain closed in the state till May 31st. All Anganwadi centers and creches under the Women and Child Development shall also remain closed in the state. Haryana again recorded a sharp surge in COVID cases and fatalities on Thursday, with biggest single-day jump with 97 deaths, while there were 13,947 new infections. Delhi University has released an important notice regarding DU Final Year Exams 2021 that is scheduled to be conducted in May-June examination. The university will decide on conducting exams amid the pandemic after analyzing the situation. The decision will be announced at the earliest on the official site of DU. The university has further clarified that it has already decided that the decision regarding the midterm semester year examination will be taken at a later stage. Further, the varsity has asked the students to not fall prey to any rumors, as the details of the same will be announced on the official website in due course of time. The university is slated to conduct online exams for final year undergraduate and postgraduate students between May and June. Since long, students and teachers have been demanding postponement of exams due to the pandemic. The Jawaharlal Nehru University Students' Union on Thursday wrote to the University Grants Commission urging it to suspend all examinations in view of the rising COVID-19 cases. In their letter to the Commission's Secretary, JNU-SU councillors Amrit Raj and Anak Pradeep also appealed to the body to issue fresh guidelines with respect to conduct of examinations. We write to you with regard to suspending all examination and evaluation processes of the ongoing semester, taking into consideration the unprecedented rise in the COVID-19 cases across the country, they said in their letter. The country is severely hit by the second wave of the pandemic with over 3 lakh cases and over 3,000 deaths being reported every day, the letter said. The Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has extended the admission process for Class 1 and other classes. The Class 1 admission process was closed by April 23rd, but now it has been advised that the process will be concluded after April 30th as per the situation. The declaration of Class 1 admission to be done after April 30th, depending on the situation, read the official notification by KVS. The Deputy Commissioners will decide on the display of the admission list from Class 2 to 9 as per the exigencies of the respective states. Class 9 admission to be done on the basis of priority category. Admission tests will not be conducted for admission in Class 9, read the notification. The KVS has decided to reschedule the release of the provisional selection list and wait list for KVS Class 1 admissions 2021-22. The decision was taken due to an unprecedented rise in the number of COVID-19 cases. The Himachal Pradesh government on Thursday announced the extension of the closure of educational institutes across the state. The government had earlier announced that all educational institutions in the state will remain closed till April 15th. Now the extension has been extended till May 10th. The decision has been taken due to the rising number of coronavirus cases in the state across the country. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jai Ram Thakur made the announcement through the official Twitter handle of the Information and Public Relations Department, Himachal Pradesh Government. As per the earlier announcement, the teaching and non-teaching staff were allowed to be on the campuses. The coaching centers and all medical, dental and nursing institutions were allowed to remain open in strict compliance with the SOPs issued by the Health Department. However, the state government is yet to announce fresh guidelines with respect to the new orders. Due to surge in COVID-19 cases, the NIM CET 2021 examination has been postponed by NIT Raipur. The exam was scheduled to be held on May 23rd. In a notice, the exam authority has announced, due to the prevailing situation of the pandemic and also taking into account the safety and well-being of the candidates and examination functionaries, the date of NIM CET 2021 examination and its related activities, that is date of choice, filling, counselling, admission, etc., are hereby postponed till further notice. The revised dates for the NIM CET 2021 examination and its related activities will be announced later on and at least 15 days before the examination. The application date for the Common Law Admission Test has been extended to April 30th. Interested candidates will now have another month to apply for the admission test. Candidates can register themselves at the official website of the Consortium of National Law Universities on or before May 15th. The Executive Committee of the Consortium of National Law Universities met on April 28, 2021. After reviewing recent developments, the committee resolved to extend the application deadline due to difficulties faced by students arising out of bank closures and lockdowns. Read the latest notification by CNLU. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.